Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bitcoin update for Saturday. The weekend has already started and there's a lot of issue during the weekends that you have to keep in mind, and you do know historically that the weekends are not good. So the next 2 days are really important, okay? Because the next 2 days set the tone for the whole September on the weekly time frame. So now today I could expect some big drops. It could be expected. If not today, then we could actually see 4 drops tomorrow. But we do have a small tiny hope that Bitcoin doesn't drop down, and that tiny hope comes in this diamond shape. Okay, so you can see that that's a little bit of a diamond on the bottom right there, just like that. So there are chances that you can actually break to the upside and reverse to the upside as well. So that's a little bit of chance. Okay, that's a little bit of chance, but it's less likely during the weekends, especially when you do have the bear flag as I spoke about before. So you're gonna have to be super attentive in this situation, because my estimates say that Bitcoin still has to drop to 18,000 till Sunday. Okay, it's a it's not like the biggest fall in the world, but it's actually good enough to make that 3 black crows that I talked about before, and that's gonna be a drop for going from there to there. That's nearly 7.65%, which is quite huge for the altcoins. We might see the altcoins actually bleeding. So yeah, to me guys, this is a recipe to actually go down. So you can see that this candlestick on the weekly, however you close this candlestick really matters. Okay, in 2 days we're going to get to know. Actually, on the right side of your screen you do have 1 day and 17 hours to actually close the candlestick. You might even end up closing like this, and that would be amazing, because again that would be an inverted hammer, and then from here you can actually go back, making that diamond bottom to play out as well. It's just how this candlestick closes. If however you start to drop down, you just made a 3 black rows, and then next week you just make a little bit of a pullback by Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then get rejected here and continue to fall to the downside. My personal pick is this one ends up dropping and we make 3 black rows, and then on a weekly time frame the downtrend actually continues. That's my pick about this one. But then again, we must wait for how Bitcoin closes in the next coming few days. It's really important to see how Bitcoin is gonna do its closing. I just want to tap into the monthly time frame as well, and as far as I see the monthly, it's pretty much confirming that this is a bear flag. You can just see how this monthly started a little bit below that level. Can you see that? It's just a little bit under the, like this was your support, and you just close and it turned into a resistance. It's a very small tiny detail that if you want to actually dive into, it's going to be very visible to you. So if that is your bear flag, then we're looking for Bitcoin to have drops from there to there, and we're going to have Bitcoin to really dump all the way down to 8,700 as we talked before, and that's on a monthly. So it's going to take a couple of weeks, couple of days before we really reach the target. It could be a flash crash, it could be capitulation. I cannot really say what exactly, how it's exactly going to be down there. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin. Be super careful, trade safe, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.